There are a lot of juice recipes for weight loss available today. It's mostly just a matter of finding one that you find easy to make and you like the taste of it. This is a tried and true method for weight loss, and if you go about it in the right way, you can have success too. It's really easy, when you are desperate to lose weight, to get caught up in one fad diet after another. Some of these fad diets may actually help you lose some weight, but you do have to ask yourself two very important questions before you decide to give it a try. 1. Is the weight loss solely the result of water weight loss? If so, you will most likely just gain back any weight you lose. What you really want to do is find diets that will help you lose unwanted body fat and not just lose pounds of water weight. 2. Is the diet something that you can reasonably expect to stay on for a lifetime? Now, this can be a little tricky because sometimes a short-term diet can still be a good thing, if you use it as a springboard to healthier habits and don't expect it to be the answer to your weight loss prayers. Juice recipes for weight loss can actually be good for you for your lifetime. Alone, it won't be enough to lose hundreds of pounds, for most people, but it can be a great addition to a healthy eating plan and a strong workout regimen. Combining the benefits of a juicing diet with these other two components can really help you achieve all your weight loss goals. Here is just one of many juice diet recipes. If you are really interested, you can find many other recipes. To get the most out of your diet, you may want to consider investing in a juicer so you can get the freshest juice possible. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 cup strawberries, sliced. 1/2 orange juice. 1 whole mango, peeled and cut. 2 kiwi, peeled and cut. 1 2 tablespoons of honey. 1/2 seltzer. Mix the ingredients together, except the seltzer, on puree until smooth. Pour into a glass and stir in seltzer. Serve over ice if desired. There are a few tools that will make this a little easier to accomplish. Of course, one of the most important things is a good quality blender. Next, having a juicer so you can have fresh juice to use in all your recipes would be nice. And don't just get stuck on the idea of fruit juices, vegetable juice can work great too, and it will also give you that much more variety. This is just one of many recipes you can find, or create, that will help your weight loss goals along. Since many people don't get enough fresh fruits and vegetables in their daily diet, this is an excellent way to introduce more healthy foods into your diet on a daily basis. Look online, in your local library or bookstore, or even get creative and come up with your own recipes. There are almost unlimited options when looking for juice recipes for weight loss. You can lose weight, eat more healthy, and never get bored.